sweet calamansi sauce. Okay? Ito yung ating size. One whole chicken breast ang ginagamit ko, guys. Slicein ko ng pagganito, ng pagganian. Medyo may ano pa siya, guys. May konting ice pa siya, guys. Pero it's alright kasi. It's the circle of life. Circle of life. Ito ay napaka-easy, guys. Ito ay isang napaka-easy na recipe. Pwedeng piyong-piyungan lang. You can close your eyes. Joey. So now we are going to put it in the container. Like this. So now I am going to put some salt and a little bit of pepper. Guys, kasi ano lang ito eh. We are going to fry this. Tansya-tansya lang, guys. It differs on the size of your chicken breast, but I am using one chicken breast with a little bit of ground pepper. Wala ko ground pepper there, guys. That's it. And I will put a little bit of lemon juice with this for the meantime. 1 tablespoon of Calamansi Juice to marinate. I'm going to marinate this for 10 minutes only, guys. 10 minutes only, okay? And I'm going to cover this and put in the fridge, okay? Circle of life. Shake, 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 shake. That's it. That's it, guys. 10 minutes only. Guys, I am going to saute the garlic first, guys. I'm just going to lightly brown of this garlic because I will use this as my toppings. That will do. This is, guys, you put them on the head of the stove, guys, and then look like this, guys. This one. So guys, we have this is our breadcrumbs. We're going to whisk or beat our 1 egg. Just like that. Until it is lightly yellow color. That's it, guys. Look. Okay? Now I wash my hands, guys. I can use this. So we have our one whole chicken breast that I slices like this. So I am going to dip our chicken breast in our beaten eggs like that. And then dip in our breadcrumbs just like that, and dip it again. So in this process, guys, it will make our breadcrumbs stay in our chicken breast, and dip again. So you are going to dip twice from the egg and from our breadcrumbs, and then we are going to file it. Next. Let's what this one. So that's the process, guys. Okay. This is chicken breast fillet with. So dip twice one at a time, and then that makes it very wonderful. So I will show you one more time. This one, dip your chicken breast slice here, and then dip to our breadcrumbs, and dip it again. It's just like playing, guys. So I'll just use one egg at one time, guys. If you need to add if you need to add eggs, so you can do it. So, but I don't want to waste some eggs, so um, I'll just use it one at a time. Okay, guys, that is our wok with oil. Okay, this is my chicken fillet, guys, that I coated already with breadcrumbs and eggs. Okay, look at this. This is very chicken fillet, breast chicken fillet. Okay, now we are going to test if it is okay, it's time to fry. So make it sure that our frying pan, our wok is not crowded. So be sure not crowded, guys, para it's easy for us to flip over. It is deep fry, guys, but we need to flip it over. So I need one here. It's easy, simple. So now, guys, this is the oil that we use in sauteing the garlic. And now we are going to add this is 2 tablespoons of Calamansi juice. This is our honey. We are going to add 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. So all in all, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of honey, guys. So then we are going to add our oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Wow, it's yummy. Guys, this is very yummy, guys. I will not add honey because it's alright. So. Look at this. So now we are going to add our roasted garlic over here, guys. So it will add a flavor. Guys, this is very yummy, guys. That's it, guys. Our sauce is cooked. Look at that. Now I am going to add in our plating, guys. By the way, guys, this is the 1 whole chicken breast fillet that I've fried. Now we are going to make our so this is the mashed potato, guys. plates in here. Mag-platings tayo, guys. I need to move the mashed potato is sitting already. I have to move a little bit. So now we are going to make a platings like this. So that's for my habibi. Oh, guys, this is it, guys. This is the sweet calamansi sauce, guys, with oyster sauce. Okay. Mate, food is ready. So guys, this is my finished product. This is chicken breast fillet with sweet calamansi sauce and oyster sauce, okay? And there is a roasted garlic here and a mashed potato, okay? Thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and I hope you got some lessons out of it. And thank you and God bless. Bye!